Chapter 3, Sum number 18. Ram and Shyam are partners. Ram withdraw rupees 18,000 at the beginning of each half yearly. Interest on drawing is chargeable at 10% per annum. So calculate the interest on drawing for the year ended 31st December 2018 using average period. இப்போ sum பார்க்கலாம். Sum number 18. Calculation of interest on drawing of Ram using average method. Average period. The total amount of drawings rupees 18,000 into 2. 2ன்றது half yearly கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அதனால 2 ஆல multiplication பண்ணா 36,000. If drawings are made at the end of every half year, average period 9 months. Interest on drawings equal to total amount of drawings into rate of interest into average period divided by 12. 36,000 la 10%, 10 divided by 100 into half yearly average period 9 months, 9 divided by 12. இது calculate பண்ணா 2,700 rupees வருது. இந்த interest on drawings of Ram rupees 2,700. இந்த sum இதோட முடியுது. இந்த சேனலை subscribe பண்ணுங்க, like பண்ணுங்க, share பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.